Friends, I'll add some vinegar now. As you can see, there is already onion, garlic, vegetable stock. So you can use any vegetable you like. But since it's only available for now for me, so I use that. So onion, garlic, ginger, and other stuff. This green leeks smell good. We're gonna put some salt as well. It's really important. This salt won't give me much though. I'm gonna put more salt, guys, later. And some this marination on this one. I remove already the pips on them, so I can just get whatever I want like this, and leave the skin on because it was washed and organic from the yard, so it's fine. Alright, this is all the some ingredients, guys. Oh, I just opened the rosemary leaves, ground. So good. Put some few here. Ooh. And we're gonna put some herbamare, get a nice flavor. Of course, the black peppercorn, the Italian herbs. Nice. They get sort of mixed spice in here, and also got some chili as well. A bit more, and garlic as well, and another oregano leaves, granule one, and this. You can also add honey if you like, or sugar. Okay. And also you can add some any juices, but since I don't have any sugar here now, I use honey. And since I probably get some more of this chili on the top, the iceberg chili, even though I green, I'll get some and put that here. Although I got already chilies, dried chilies in the Italian herbs, maybe I should get just one more, just to get it in, guys. And that's it. We're gonna mix all the ingredients, and also put some Sprite or any kind of lighter sodas. Yeah, I'm gonna put probably some nice juice because I forgot to buy any Sprite or anything. And then some bit more oil, and some of this olive oil. Look, if you don't have olive, you don't have to put olive oil. Just vegetable oil or sunflower oil is good. And then we're gonna dip the chicken in the next episode. Cheers.